Hi everyone, welcome back to Speak American with Anu. I am Anu, your dramatic linguist, and today I'm going to talk about phrasal verbs with get. Get is one of our most common verbs. We have so many phrasal verbs that we use with get. Now remember, a phrasal verb is when we have a verb like make, get, look, put, and we put that with a preposition or an adverb. Look into, get out of, put upon, make up with. For the most part, phrasal verbs are considered more casual, and we want to be able to use them in daily conversation. But American English even has these in the workplace. If you are a working professional, you can use some phrasal verbs in your emails, your phone calls, even your daily conversations. Today we're going to learn 5 phrasal verbs with get. Are you ready? Before we get into this video, I make videos every Thursday, short, fun, easy videos on pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar so that you, my English learner, can feel more confident in your American English. Let's go! All right, let's get started. Get over, get into, get around, get out, and get through. Number 1, get over. You can use get over with something or someone. Sarah broke up with Mike last night. I don't know how Mike is going to get over Sarah. He was really, really in love with her. To get over something means to resolve a problem. You may get over someone by eating a lot of ice cream, by dating other people, or by buying a whole new wardrobe. Or it might be something more internal. Laura gets over stress every morning by meditating and exercising for 30 minutes a day. Number 2, get into. Now you can get into something like music, food, or an activity. I got into BTS by watching all of their music videos. I'm a dancer, so I love their difficult choreography. To get into means to be a fan of something or to be interested in something. Whenever I move into a new apartment, I get really into cleaning the space and decorating it exactly how I want to. A more common definition of get into is when you get into trouble. Joey never does his homework on time, so he always gets into trouble with his teacher the next day at school. Number 3, to get around. Chicago is a big city, but it has a lot of transportation options. You can get around by bus, by subway, or by car. To get around means to use transportation to reach your destination. The only way to get around LA is by car. I have to drive. Number 4, to get out of something. I'm going on a date with this really boring guy, Brad, this weekend, and I just don't want to. Is there any way you can get out of it? I can pretend to be sick. Hey Brad, sorry, but I can't go on a date with you tonight. To get out of something means to escape a commitment or to avoid something that you don't want to do. Number 5, to get through something. My history class in college was the most difficult class I have ever had. The only way I got through it was because my best friend Sam was the smartest kid in the class, and he always shared his notes with me. To get through something means to endure it, to survive it until it's over. I'm sick with COVID. How are you going to get through it? I'm going to sleep, I'm going to watch TV, and I'm going to eat a lot of chicken noodle soup. Drop a comment below. Which phrasal verb is your favorite? If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so that all English learners can benefit from phrasal verbs. Until then, practice makes progress.